Would you believe me if I told you that the videos you're about to watch were completely generated by AI?
I've seen worlds crumble and stars fade into silence, but I'm still here.
Weapons hot.
Not because I'm unbreakable,
Bow before the new order, or be erased to the old one.
but because I choose to stand,
You can't rewrite destiny.
even when everything else falls.
In the embrace of light, every moment becomes a new horizon. With every breath, the essence of transformation. Light isn't seen, it's felt. Introducing Lume, the fragrance of endless illumination. Because in the pursuit of light, wonders never cease. Lume, find your glow.
The tool behind this is called LTX Studio. In simple terms, LTX Studio is a next-gen video creation tool that was developed by the same team behind Runway ML and Pika Labs. Think of it as an advanced AI tool that gives you complete creative control over every single scene and every single shot. It basically does the job of an entire production team in seconds. But here's the downside. LTX Studio isn't available in all countries. In fact, access is currently limited to a few selected regions. If you're watching this from a restricted country, chances are you can't get in just yet. And that's exactly why I made this video, to show you step-by-step how to access and use LTX Studio completely for free. Just make sure to follow along carefully and don't skip any part of this video. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to the official LTX Studio website. You'll probably see a message saying the platform isn't available in your country. But don't worry, we're going to fix that. Open a new tab in your browser and search for WinScribe VPN extension. It should look like this. Click on the option that appears, and you'll be redirected to the WinScribe download page. Now click Add Extension, and the VPN will be installed on your browser. Once it's done downloading, go to the extension icon, usually at the top right corner of your browser, and find WinScribe in the list. Click the little pin icon to pin it to your toolbar for easy access. You should now see it up there. Next, click the WinScribe icon to launch it. Note that you'll need to create an account, but don't worry. WinScribe offers both a free plan and a paid plan. We will be using the free plan as usual. Click Get Started, then choose the free plan. Enter your username, create a password, confirm it, and type in your email. And just like that, your account is set and good to go. I personally use WinScribe VPN, and I can tell you for a fact that this is one of the best VPNs out there on the market that offers good services even if you are on the free plan. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video if you ever want to try the paid plan after using the free plan, of course. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. Once you log in, you should see the main WinScribe interface. Now, click the WinScribe icon and look for Germany among the list of free countries available, and then under it select Frankfurt Castle, and then hit Connect. And just like that, you should be connected to Germany, specifically in Frankfurt Castle. Feel free to pause the video anytime, or use the timestamps provided in the video when you don't understand a step. Now go back to the LTX Studio site and click Start Now. And that's it. You should be able to now access LTX Studio with no restrictions. If anything in this process confuses you, kindly drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, please support the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. It really helps me keep making more content just like this one for you.
Shaving shouldn't be complicated, just smooth, precise, and comfortable. With 5 interlocking blades, the ergonomic handle is designed to fit perfectly in your hand, because you deserve a razor that delivers every time. Apex 5. Precision meets performance.